Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have the L'Oreal Voluminous Noir Balm Mascara to try out. And I am very intrigued by this because I don't really know what it means to be a balm mascara, but it says it's their first balm in mascara. And it has 99% natural origin ingredients. It's clean from parabens and mineral oil, and it's supposed to give extreme volume, which is definitely what I look for in my mascaras. I got this at Walmart where it cost about $10, and I got it in the shade Black. I am very picky with my mascaras. I want it to look like falsies, pretty much. So let's see if this is going to live up to all those claims. I actually like this packaging. It's clear down here, so you can actually see your mascara. I have never seen that before in a mascara package, but I really like that. Oh, and the wand looks nice. It's the spiky silicone type of applicator that is pretty big, but overall kind of like a standard shape and size. So here is what the wand looks like. I'm excited to jump right in and start applying it to one of my eyes. And I'll just focus on this eye to start so that we can compare the difference. Ooh, I'm liking this wand because it really coats every lash. There's no clumping. And it definitely is a nice dark black color right away. And good separation too with the lashes, at least for now. We'll see if it starts to clump together as I layer it up. But for now, this is a really nice first coat. Darkens the lashes, defines them, and it seems to be sticking from root to tip too, so it gives a nice lengthening effect. I got already some mascara on my eyelid and my under eye, so I'll let that dry down and see if I can easily dust it away. But I like how my lashes are looking so far. I'm excited to try and layer it up, but before I do, let's see how this is on these lower lashes. I feel like even though this is kind of a big wand, I like how there's so many small spikes that it's actually not super messy and pretty nice for these lower lashes. So as long as it's not the type of mascara to smudge, I'm happy with this on the lower lashes to darken them, define them, and that's all I really need. I feel like this wand also holds a lot of product, like I don't have to keep dipping it in, but let's see how it layers up. It is layering up kind of slowly in terms of like how much volume I'm able to get. But yeah, the balm claim, I feel like I can like feel it in the formula. Just it going on a little bit more smooth and looking a little bit more smooth in the lashes. But I'm so glad to see that the lashes are still staying separated, so that really helps with the volumizing effect and helps the lashes look like a falsie look, which is what I like to achieve. So this is really nice. I'm really liking how my lashes are looking. I feel like I can stop here, and that didn't even take very long to achieve. So now let's see if I can wipe away. Oh yes, it easily dusts away if you get it on your under eye or the eyelid, which I am so happy about. It doesn't smudge. Yeah, this is awesome. Look at my lashes with it versus without it. I feel like this looks so good. I feel like my lashes look so pretty. They just look so full. I don't feel like it's the most extreme like volumizing to the actual lashes, but it keeps them so nicely fanned out that it really helps with that effect. And I'm loving this balm feel. just very smooth to brush through the lashes. And I kind of feel like the balm in this makes it so that it's not sticky. And so then the lashes are not sticking together. They're able to stay separated when brushed through, stay fanned out. So I'm really happy with this. I wish there was just a little bit more volume that I could get for the lashes, but overall the finished look is still very nice. I am so happy that this is pretty much living up to the claims, living up to my high expectations and hopes in a mascara, and for $10. I feel like this is a great drugstore mascara option that if you have tried it out, please let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.